I know you're looking at me, right? And
Ah!
we're kind of so we might have like a key might have run out and like, but I can do a run through, and we do have it deployed on Rinkeby and on Surge for the front end, so people can go in and look at it. We have a whole bunch of like just test transactions that happened, the swaps that are open to commit to, but currently the setup as it is for Moonswap, everything is a closed swap. So whoever opens it, uh, and the two parties who are part of the
Let
initial
let's
transaction.
bring that. Let's bring it way back.
Okay,
Way back.
I'll start it off.
You had a key expire. Is that in Fura or Alchemy or what's going on there?
Yeah, Rinkeby, like Alchemy one. Yeah, Alchemy or Impura. So like just
Didn't we
building right now.
just buy an upgraded Alchemy account this week?
It's already used up with the
I can run through like just explaining the changes that we went through for this week, and people can check out the site. We have it deployed on Rinkeby
Cool.
and Search. So I can link. We'll just link. Oh, actually, so the process right now, I will share my screen as well. First, sharing the link right here. So it was a great like group effort that came together from myself, Ankit, Dawat, Nizha, and Miral uh, coming together to form this. What you'll see is where this is right now deployed on Rinkeby. We do have it. First, we did try for the Gnosis wallet connection. Found out, oh, you connect through Wallet Connect, but it does require. But that's not yet like did a run through. It doesn't. After the approval phase, it doesn't go on to the transaction. But I can demonstrate like we have the view where it shows, say, all the transactions, all the swaps that you can commit to. So when you do click one of the swaps and you're part of one of the parties for the swap, say you commit to the swap, it'll go through the process. Right now, since all the swaps are closed, you have to be either one of the out or ingoing party of the swap. So right now, I'm not part of that. So you'll see for this transaction, it will generate an error saying like, oh, you're unauthorized. So give that a few seconds.
If you're lucky.
Oh, I'm lucky, Ryan.
Like Rinkeby is taking like 25 seconds, so you're gonna have to wait. Yeah.
So you'll see that, and you'll see like unauthorized showing right there.
Cool.
Yeah, so maybe we can like show like the flow for creating the new swap. So
Right. Okay.
And
So
this
this is
is
using
Rinkeby. This is Rinkeby right now.
correct.
So here I'll give you a Rinkeby address.
you're gonna have to send him the tokens as well. So yeah.
Yeah, the token address as well. So we don't have like a drop down yet for the token address.
No, I meant that Ryan will be needing the ocean tokens, I guess, which is what
Well,
we
here
use.
I've got some fake Rinkeby GTC.
That works.
That works, yeah. If you can paste the address of the fake GTC, maybe we can put that in and test it out.
Sure. Rink GTC. There we go.
So say like 10, say 10. So it goes through the
Just to
process of
clarify,
approval.
it's actually 10 way. It's not 10 tokens. Just to clarify. Yeah.
We're starting small. We're dipping our toes with this very limited 10-way apiece partnership.
Yeah.
I guess I should be sharing my screen too. All right, so here I am. I connect my wallet. And
I think you'll have to check the ID. Fahim, do you know the ID?
Fahim can just share the link and Ryan can open it.
It's going to be the latest one. If you go to the very bottom of the
Yeah, the list is actually sorted lexically, not numerically, so we need to kind of fix that as well.
yeah, 32 between 2 and 4. Number 3, curiously missing.
Because the third one must have been deactivated.
Oh, that makes sense. So what do we
Fahim,
got? Should it be
It should be
Fahim, you
number
got a number for
39.
me?
It should be the
39
number
here.
39, I think. Yeah.
So there's a new swap. We commit
And
to
now you're in the
swap.
second step, commit to swap.
To spend my ocean. That's not quite right.
Did we set the wrong address? Is that what
could
happened?
have, it
Maybe
could be
we
that
test.
this not related to that transaction. That's more likely. If you're seeing ocean, yeah.
Unauthorized.
I could get you the number. I'll just restart the tab
Fahim,
now.
you can actually share the link in your address bar, and if Ryan opens it, it will open up directly. You don't have to like.
Do we still have the link?
No, I'll just restart the process and I'll send Ryan the link.
Or I can even restart it. So let's do it from me because that's the flavor for dog fooding is that it breaks on my computer. So the token address in is mine, correct?
Yes.
Correct.
Okay. And then I have 0 ocean token now. The GTC fake Rinkeby GTC address is this address. So it's this token, and we'll call it 100 since it's way. And then the address out is
Oh, I'm gonna send you that.
cool, but this is the ocean token address.
I would put like say 10 ocean.
Okay, all right, I hear the call. Go for 10, go for 10. Cool, resolves down, create the new swap. The verb in and out isn't 1,000,000,000% exactly. It's like party A, party B. But yeah, all right. The technology is what we're looking at today. Waiting on the magic of the Rinkeby network.
Yeah, we just left that stuff in, but we can take those out, like those tabs.
All right, we have a transaction. Why is it offering me another transaction now?
So the first one's to approve your tokens, and then the next one's to do the transaction.
The first one was an approval. Okay. And the second is some contract interaction. Okay.
Yeah, so this is basically gonna be the one that takes your tokens into escrow. So yeah.
All right, ready to commit to swap, successful. So then we should see there's a new swap number 40. So the swap is open. I've committed to it. Fahim, have you committed to it?
So now I'm going to it. So what happens like when you put in my one too? So it took both of ours, both of our token, and now I just commit and agree to the swap. Or either one of us can actually. It just
Well, you go
checks.
for it because I set it up so you can commit.
Cool.
Exciting. Multi-computer dog fooding on the test net. And if it was going to break, it's going to break now. 20 seconds from now.
I didn't realize I was muted, sorry.
Wait, either one of us can do it, but it doesn't require both, but nice.
Cool. Swap complete. That means that if I go over here, I should also reload this and it should say swap complete.
Dog fooding. It's not there anymore too. Yeah.
Awesome.
We're still trying to figure it out, like if it's Surge or is it the app. Like that's something we have been stuck on for a while.
Okay,
But-
but my GTC was transmuted into Ocean with the magic of swaps.
Yeah.
Let's see how much. Yeah! I got the Ocean, y'all.
Oh snap. Okay. Dope.
Hope you like the 10-way.
Yeah, sign me up. Sign me
Man,
up for
this
some
was a
more.
solid team effort, guys. Solid team.
Good work, everybody.
Yo. Moonswap team put in some time on this. Yeah.
Yes.
Cool. Well, keep that action coming. I'm hoping that the next time that we're dog fooding this, we'll be doing it from Gnosis front end.
Do you wanna do that right now?
Yeah, Ankit has the run through for that, the flow.
Awesome. Yeah, sign me up.
All right. I'm not sure how much you're gonna like this, but let's go for it.
Let's find out.
I'm just gonna share.
Emetic dog food.
Yeah. So like this is the Ocean token. I'm just gonna do the same token, maybe like 10, and I'm gonna copy the address here. Not really sure if it's gonna work because it's the first time I'm trying out Gnosis.
Sure. And I've definitely never seen that part of the front end before.
This was the only way that I could find out how to do it. Is there any other way to do it?
Wallet Connect is the standard way.
Right. I don't use Wallet Connect. I've never used it, so yeah. It's doing something.
Yeah, I tried the Wallet Connect way, but it doesn't pass the approval process. So we'll look into it. But Ankit was successful with this, from what he was saying.
Well, this is
Let's try
awesome. Yeah, I mean, if this works, then like that's pretty good, and then you can move on from there.
Let me. Is the swap ID 42? It's not the ID. That is interesting.
Is it that you don't have enough ether, perhaps?
There might
The
not be any
contract-
ETH in that. There's no ETH in that.
It looks like the safe doesn't have any ether to cover its costs.
Oh, okay. I
Try
didn't
the
know
other
they
safe.
need ETH. I had no idea that was a thing. Sorry.
There you go. Yeah, this really is your first time working with the safe.
You
Yeah.
also do another safe. And Keith, you have owner privileges on this one, so check this one out.
I have accessed both, right?
Yeah.
All right.
And this is Rinkeby, so you can just send Rinkeby Eth to the safe address.
So I think it's one review. Is it 42?
No, it's you need the Eth for the gas though.
Yeah, you
But
need
I
to
did
change
send
the
it right
safe.
now. I did
Huh?
send it right. 276.
Did you send it?
Yeah,
Sorry,
I
I
did.
didn't catch that.
Oh, I think MetaMask is not showing up for some reason. Let me just reshare because I think I did the wrong kind of share. Yeah. So it still shows as 0 ETH. So I'm not sure if it's a Gnosis thing or. Let me just refresh my screen.
Well, just go on Etherscan and see if.
Yeah, that's a good point. So it shows that 276. I did send it 1 Ether. Can I not send
Okay,
it
and
direct?
then
Oh
and
yeah,
then
I see
check
it
out.
now.
Oh yeah, there it is. Okay, so it just needed a moment to update.
Yeah. So let's check out Moonswap. I'm gonna put the address here. It should come automatically.
Ah, very nice.
Commit to swap. So what I'll do is I'll check the swap ID because no idea what's going on with that. Exact transaction, logs.
Blockchain.
Swap
41 it is.
new swap. The ID shows up. Oh wait, it's 41. Yeah, exactly. It's
Yeah.
41. 41 and then like 10 tokens, right? Oh,
Yeah.
right. If I have to do the approval, now it makes sense. So I have to go to the Ocean token and actually approve it using the safe. That's going to be annoying. How do I do that? Is this the Ocean token verified?
I'll send you the. It should be the token address. I'll send you right now.
It's not verified. That's going to be annoying.
This is why I insist on live network dogfooding. You never find these kinds of problems on one's local machine.
I mean, you know what? I'm committed today. I will do the entire flow. I can do it.
You're doing it. All right. All right. I was considering letting you off the hook, but it sounds like you're committed.
Yeah, so I'm just gonna search for ERC20 AVI. This is amazing.
Yeah, and so this is where Wallet Connect would step in and turn connecting into just like the same flow as an individual.
Damn,
just as
this
an
flow is
explanation.
slow.
That
Yeah,
is.
the point is, I'm kind of curious how to do this in Wallet Connect. I think Fahim tried it, but for him it didn't work.
I got the approval to work, but then it doesn't go into the transaction. It just hangs.
Right. So I'm not sure what exactly it is.
Yeah, I'll have to look into it more.
I wonder if this is going to work. This is going to be awesome if this works.
I'm just saying, I bet like 15 minutes on this, so I hope it does. Otherwise, it's like I'm going to be quite embarrassed.
Yeah, it's all good. This is the magic of dogfooding.
It was very spicy dog fooding.
Yeah, check that on Etherscan. See if it comes out right.
Oh, it's done. All right. Contract interaction. Where's the Moonswap?
All right, so just so that I understand where we're at. So you've got two different safes trying to execute a swap. Is that correct?
Exactly. Yes. So
and one of them has approved its token, and now the other one has to approve its token?
So that transaction is already done. So the swap is created. Now we're just committing to it.
Okay. And so in order to commit at the commit stage,
I think it's done. I think it happened.
We should see like a
This is
commit.
the big moment, guys. Like I think could be slow. You're gonna have to do that for a while longer.
Yeah, I just have to start with my voice lower.
Just come on, give it to me. And yeah, that's it.
Nice. Cool. So what are we seeing here? Ocean token was transferred 3 times? What's going on with that?
So we are using ocean tokens on both sides, and it's 10-way. So it's actually normal. So you can see it goes from there to there, then from our contract to the first safe, and then from our contract to the second safe. So as expected.
Interesting. Right, because you used the same token on both sides.
Yeah.
So how did the same amount go both in and then out twice?
Because there's our contract is the middleman, so we transfer to the token, and then the token transfer our contract transfers it to the safe, right?
Right, but if the contract transferred it to 2 different recipients,
Yeah.
then
So
how is it that 1 went in but 2 came out? Am I just missing part of the other transaction?
oh right,
somehow?
yeah, because the first swap has happened already, like the first exact transaction from the wallet that you saw, that was the part where we were transferring these amount of tokens to our
Okay, so if you click on the safe, yeah, we should see those transactions on the safe itself on Etherscan, yeah.
Yeah, so like
The 87 address, right?
so 87 is the Moonswap address. This is our contract.
Okay.
Right. So this is the 8967. This is the safe, and like right now it has 50 ocean. And like if we go to the other safe, which is 62D, that should also have 50 ocean.
Very nice. Awesome.
Yep.
So now we are in a position to say to DAOs that have multi-sigs that we can help them execute swaps with each other. And if they're like, we don't believe you, I can be like, check out this transaction. And they'll be like, oh ho ho, ocean tokens.
Yeah.
Their faucet is
Awesome.
really nice, to be honest. Their like all the other faucets keep like failing on me, but like the ocean faucet has been kind of reliable.
Who's running that? I never heard of it. Ocean Protocol, maybe?
Yeah.
Yeah, that's fair. I'll go read up on them. Cool. All right. Good work, Moonswap team. Keep getting the polish and the pieces together, and we'll be transferring tokens between mainnet safes in no time. That was sick.